Grabe guys, oh, lakas. Hindi siya malino kasi umulan siya dito kanina eh. Kaya ganyan yung tubig niya. Kaya so yan guys, nandito po kami sa may Sizorn Reservoir. So yan guys, nakikita nyo yung lake. Marami kayong makikita pagpunta po kayo dito sa may Khao-Yai National Park. So tara! So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my Facebook page. And today's video, we're here at Khao-Yai. So yan guys, nakapasok na po kami sa may Khao-Yai National Park. So tingnan natin kung makikita natin dito sa park na to. So let's see. Bakit na tayo?
Santa Fe ito, Han.
Santa Fe na.
Nueva Vizcaya.
So ayun guys, nandito na po kami sa may Santa Fe.
Actually po, Khao-Yai National Park. So for foreigners, 400 baht po ang 15 up, 14 below, 200 baht for foreigners. Pero kung Thai, 40 baht for adults, 20 baht for children. I mean 14 years old.
Tignan niyo sa side ko guys, oh. Si Chloe. So let's keep going.
So yung unang stop natin, mahal, is Viewpoint North 30. That's how they call it. May 30 talaga na number. Pwede kang kumuha ng guide, pero hindi na kami kumuha ng guide kasi meron na kaming itinerary before kami pumunta dito para makatipid. So DIY po yung aming itinerary. Every time naman na nagbibiyahe kami, lagi kaming DIY. So dapat lang hindi pagod yung driver, di ba mahal? Aww. Say hi, Chloe Yuan. Hi.
Open na open yung eyes, oh. So yan guys, nandito na po kami sa may viewpoint ng Khao-Yai.
Ito po yung viewpoint. First viewpoint ng Khao-Yai. They call it like yes.
Dong Piayen.
Dong Piayen Khao-Yai Forest Complex.
Alright. Ayan.
Ayan guys. So dami pong queue. Hindi kami maagang nakarating kasi ito namang asawa ko. Late na tulog. So late din kami nakabangon.
Sa bundok. Literally nasa bundok po kami. So yan po yung background ko. Bundok. So let's go to the next station. So as you can see guys, there are a lot of tourists here. So let's go guys, let's go. Let's go to what?
Nong Pakchi Wildlife Watching Tower. This one we have to hike.
Alright, so see you guys.
Ito yung gusto namin. Although yung mga anak namin, kapag may choice na iba, hindi talaga sila sasama guys. Well, what do you expect from 16 and 14 years old teenagers? So hindi naman talaga nila masyadong na-appreciate yung mga ganito. Mas gusto nila sa amusement park. Pero syempre walang magagawa, kailangan sundin ang boss. So yan. So this
all my feelings, they're all gone. They left so long ago. They went running through the desert. They went running through the snow. They said bye, bye, bye.
So yan guys, naglalakad na po kami sa may bundok, sa may bundok. No, we go this way. You just follow them.
If I was with my friends will go separately. Like go separately.
Okay. So we just follow them.
Go down na. That.
Where are you now? Chloe? Oh, it's too slippery here. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. No, we can just run. Sasanayin natin yung mga anak ko sa bundok. Mag-hiking tayo. So we will just follow those people in front of us para mas maganda. May kasabayan tayo at hindi tayo mawawala. Magano tayo?
No, be wala with the tao.
Intay agiwarwar tinwang. Tinbaka. So nandito po kami sa may bundok. Naglalakad tayo sa bundok ngayon. So salamat dahil maganda yung weather. Tamtaman lang. Pero hindi siya mainit. So mas maganda na kami na lang po yung wala na po kaming guide. Hindi na po kami kumuha ng guide kasi mas maganda DIY talaga. Chloe anak. Sa Kawyay, di ba?
Are you having fun? Are you liking this? Come on, be honest.
Yeah.
Parang kami lang ng asawa ko ang
I love it. So dapat pag umakyat kayo sa mga ganitong hill, dapat ready kayo. Okay?
I
Mrs.
recommend you don't come here.
Why?
Handa mo ng
What? What happened? It's slippery ah. Ito yung mga gusto kong puntahan. Nag-enjoy ako at saka si Mrs. So taga probinsya po kami. So doon po kami lumaki. So sanay na sanay po kami sa mga ganitong mga alakaran. So yan guys, malapit na po kami sa may tower. What is it? So doon po kami pupunta. Doon. And then after that we're going back. So yan guys. Yan na po guys yung tower. Pupunta namin. So sulit na sulit yung pagpunta namin dito sa Kawyay kasi hindi siya umulan. So akyat na po tayo guys. Medyo mataas to kaya ingat-ingat tayo. Kaya pa ma? Kaya mo umakyat? Guys, ang ganda ng view dito sa taas.
I wanna see you again, see you again. I don't want.
Are you tired? No? Me no. Sulit. So sulit po yung pagpunta namin dito kasi sobrang hangin, hindi mainit. Kaya na-enjoy mo talaga.
Wala, si Yuan, di dumikit na yung...
So yan guys, dito na po tayo sa may kalagitnaan
Sige,
ng
ganyan lang. Okay. Mahal,
bundok.
magpaganon ka ng konti. Chloe, Yuan, anak, bigyan mo si ate ng space sa grass.
So yan guys, pabalik na kami. So papunta na po tayo sa may next destination. So yan guys, nandito po kami sa may visitors center. So tara, samahan nyo pa kami.
Didn't think I'd ever get this far. Didn't think I'd ever find the one. I never thought I'd heal from a broken heart. No, never did I ever think I'd heal these scars. Did you think that on the night we met that you be promised to never forget? Now I'm chilling, sitting, riding shotgun with those three little words slipping right up your tongue.
So yan guys, nandito po kami sa may Sizorn Reservoir. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo yung lake. Marami kayong makikita pagpunta po kayo dito sa may Kawyay National Park. So tara, makikita nyo po sa likod ko, ang dami pong tao sa likod. So yan po yung mga turista na bumisita po dito sa may Kawyay.
Take the back streets, hit the red lights. Ain't no rush, baby, just you and I feeling so right.
Tignan niyo guys, oh, nung papunta kami dito sa bundok, sa pinakataas, daming sasakyan, oh.
Taas to ng bundok, guys.
Sa taas to ng bundok.
Yes, in the middle of the forest, dun sa mountain, sa taas ng mountain.
Okay, so tara doon guys.
Yot Kiao Mountain, that's the name. Very convenient ang pumunta talaga sa mga tourist spots dito sa Thailand. Kasi all the way up, pwede mong isama yung, pwede mong i-drive. So thank you talaga sa asawa ko for bringing us here.
Kawyay guys, Kawyay.
Kawyay National Park, guys.
Kawyay National Park. Sobrang lamig. Walang lamig, oh.
Oh my, ang lamig. Yuan. Ano ba? Are you playing football? Basketball?
Grabeng lamig, daming tao, oh. Ay, grabe.
Meron pala dito, mahal.
Ha? Oo nga. Sobrang lamig, parang nasa Baguio, guys. Grabe. Lamig. So tignan nyo sa baba guys. Yan yung sea of clouds. Okay, can you see that? Akala mo dagat pero clouds yan guys. Tingnan nyo. Clouds, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh.
Lamig, mahal. Actually,
ganda.
the clouds.
Happy?
I am very happy. So I want to thank my husband for bringing us here. Kasi hindi ko naman ina-expect na lalabas kami. Although I really like to go out, pero alam mo yun kasi hindi naman kami nag-holiday during weekdays. So I really just want to enjoy it. Pero it's worth the money that we paid for the entrance fee, and also worth the hike kasi ang ganda rin naman nung place na hinike namin kanina. And then this one, very accessible siya. You don't really have to walk kasi you can bring your car or your motorcycle all the way up to the mountain. So ito yung view guys. So makikita mo ang hamog. Actually hindi siya yung hamog, clouds talaga siya.
Clouds, no. Yan, oh. So yan guys, pakita po tayo sa may Hell Narok Waterfalls, okay?
Ito yung famous waterfalls dun sa movie ni Leonardo DiCaprio na The Beach. Dito nila sinut yun.
Okay, so makikita nyo guys, ang daming tao. Dito sinut yung movie ni Leonardo DiCaprio kung saan nahulog yung elephant. Yeah.
Leaves are falling. I wanna see you again.
Grabe guys, oh, lakas. Hindi siya malino kasi umulan siya dito kanina eh. Kaya ganyan yung tubig niya. So ganyan yung, yan yung waterfalls guys.
Let's turn the clock back on. Something we've done before. Time's ticking like it always do. It's me and you. Stay until I count to 10. Until I fall. Didn't think I'd ever get this far. Didn't think I'd ever find the one. I never thought I'd heal from a broken heart. No, never did I ever think I'd heal these scars. Did you think that on the night we met that you become Mr.